At North Country Savings Bank, we now offer a convenient online loan pay option for those customers who have a loan but do not have a checking or savings account with us. The online loan pay system is easily found by going to our website, northcountrysavings.bank, scrolling down the home page and selecting Make or Pay Loan Payment. If you have never used this feature before, you'll need to register as a new user. To do this, go to the sidebar menu and select Register. Create a username and password, then fill in your contact information before pressing the Register Account button at the bottom of the page. Now it's time to add your loan. At the top of the page, click on the plus sign next to Loan Payments. Then click the Add Account button. You will need your loan account number as well as the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Once your account is found, you will be prompted to select your payment method. It's important to note that if you pay from a checking or savings account, there is no fee for making a payment. If you choose to pay from a credit or debit card, there will be a small fee for each payment. The fee amount will be communicated to you prior to the completion of the payment. You may add a maximum of 2 debit/credit cards and a maximum of 2 checking/savings accounts. You cannot add an account from North Country Savings Bank, as this service is for external payments only. For those with a North Country Savings Bank account, use our EagleNet online banking platform. Once you have added your payment sources, you will be prompted to choose either a one-time payment or a recurring payment. Recurring payments are automatic on the date that you set, so you'll never have to worry about missing a payment. You should set your recurring payment date to 2 days prior to your due date to ensure that your payments post on time. If you are making a one-time payment, it may take 1 to 3 business days to process. Any payments made past 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or on holidays will not process until the next business day. Once you have selected your payment amount and the date, you can continue to checkout. You will be asked to confirm your contact info before reviewing your payment information and submitting the payment. It's that easy. Now that you're registered, if you need to make a payment or make changes to your recurring payment, you will click on the same link from our home website, and from the sidebar menu select Sign In to access your payment options. If you are set up for recurring payments and make another payment manually within the same month, please note that this will not go towards the next month's payment, but instead will go toward the principal of your loan. If you run into issues, don't hesitate to contact a banker from your branch. Their contact information can be found on the North Country Savings Bank website when you select Bankers under the banking menu.